Hi guys, welcome to today's class. Hi, Jesus Christ. Where is you? So in today's class, I'm going to be showing you how you can mix your vocals or your voice. Why they even use vocals? Your voice. How many vocals? Oh, you hold us first. His voice. How you can mix your voice. So like let's say mixing of voice requires you adding reverb, delay, like auto tune, all those kind of stuff. That's basically mixing your voice. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So let's get into it. Okay, welcome guys, welcome to today's tutorial, welcome to today's video. So let's go to our FS Studio. So before we begin, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos like this. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so I have already a recorded voice, rather recorded vocals. So I'm going to use this to show you how you can mix your vocals. So let me play the vocals. So it is the vocals and this is the instrumental. When I am down. So that's it. So now come to your mixer. Then my vocals is on track 3. Yeah. When I am down. Track 3. Make sure you set your vocals to your mixer. I showed you in one of our videos. So make sure it's set to a track. Now this is on track 3. So in track 3, you come to slot 1, then come to more plugins. Now what we are looking for an EQ. So I'm going to use a stock EQ, FL EQ2. Let's look for it. Where are you? Okay, this is FL EQ2. So now let's cut some of the lows. Now if you are cutting lows, please don't cut more than 100, because if you remove some of the lows, if you remove too much of low, your vocals will not have the weight that you want. So let's go. And know my soul so worried. So you cut around 100. When trouble comes, so reduce the my heart then be. And I am still awaiting the silence until you come and see the why with me. You raise me up so I can stand in mountains. You raise me up to work on stormy seas. As you can see, our voice is my vocals is sounding well. So the next thing you need to do is to add a compressor. Now what a compressor does is to maintain the velocity of your vocals, because if you listen to what I recorded, there are some parts that I went up, like the velocity of the vocals went up and it drops. So what compressor help you to do is it helps you to level the volume of your vocals. So let's add a compressor. So I'm going to be using throughout this video I'm going to be using stock plugins. So let's add a compressor, fruity compressor. So when you're compressing, please, you can set it to let's say 16 milliseconds. Then this is where you compress its threshold. Let's play. When I am down and know my soul so worried, when trouble comes, my heart then be. and I am still awaiting the silence until you come and see the why with me. You raise me up so I can stand in mountains. It has leveled the sound. You raise me up to work on. Now the next thing you need to do is to add a DSR. What a DSR does is it remove something like or sibilance like that. So add a DSR. Let's look for a DSR. So I'm going to be adding pop filter DS. Is it pop filter DS? So I'm just going to set it to minus 39 or minus 38. So that's it. Let's play. When I am down and know my soul's so worried. Now the next thing I'm going to be adding to this voice is a limiter. Yeah, limiter. It helps bring out your voice. Since you've already compressed it, it actually compressed some of the sound and brought them down. Compress your vocals and it reduces it. So I'm going to use a limiter to to boosting the voice. So we're looking for a limiter. Okay, let's use fruity limiter. So click on it. So let's play. When I am down and know my soul's so worried, when trouble comes, my heart beat and bleed, and I am still awaiting the silence. You can see my vocals is out. You come so the next thing you need to do is to see the why with me. Is to add okay. Is to add an auto tune. This is where your auto tune comes in. So add an auto tune. So it's okay. I don't think I have auto tune here. So what you need to do is to just okay. Okay, there's no auto tune here. So since there's no auto tune here, I'm just going to continue. So the next thing you need to do is to add let's add a reverb to it. So let's add a reverb. When I am down and know my soul's so worried, when trouble comes, my heart beat and bleed, and I am still awaiting the silence until you come and see the why with me. You raise me up so I can stand in mountains. You raise me up to work on stormy seas. I'm strong when I'm on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. Until you come when I am down and know my soul is so worried. When trouble comes, my heart beat and beat, and I am still awaiting the silence until you come and see the wide. You raise me up so I can stand in mountains. You raise me up to work on stormy seas. I'm strong when I'm on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. Okay, so let's listen to the voice slowly. When I am down, so you can hear the reverb and know my soul is so worried. Okay, so this will be the end of this video, so I'll stop here. Please, like I said, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. And please, mixing is actually depending on your hearing. So these are the basic things you need for mixing your vocals. Add an EQ, add the compressor, add the DS, add a limiter to boosting your vocals. Then add a reverb so that it will have this ambience. So that's basically what you need for mixing your vocals with an instrumental. So that's basically what you need. So God bless you, and please, if you know you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell for more videos like this. See you in the next tutorial. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye. Alright guys, that will be all for today's video. I hope you were able to mix your vocals or your voice. I will not be vocals and voice with me at the column. You both us all of us. Okay, so in our next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your beats and also record on top your beats. It is sweet, Abby. That's the entire body, Abby. The entire body, Abby. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to share. And also, please, if you're having challenge, be cool. Don't forget to comment, ask questions, because there's now who wants something and they ask. So please don't forget to ask on the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Enjoy all these premium courses in this channel for free.